What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is my HP Touch 2 Pair mouse review. Yes, HP Touch 2 pair mouse review. Literally, I love this mouse a lot. This is the best Bluetooth mouse ever. I mean, this is much better than the Logitech mouse, which I use it a lot. But this is more comfortable. This is much easy to pair. Even if you have an NFC, you can pair with NFC, a Bluetooth. Again, I love you can use with a laptop, tablet, anything Bluetooth. If you own a device which do not have like many USB ports, you do not want to get a wireless receiver mouse. You need a HP Touch 2 pair mouse. To put a battery, you just open from the back, and then here we go. Yeah, it's very easy to open, and I think so this is one of the best. This is most underrated mouse no one ever talk about. This mouse, I love it, to be honest. It's very comfortable. My hand is big, as you can see, but this mouse is comfortable. And I mean comfortable, then literally I mean comfortable. As you can see, it's a very comfortable mouse, and the build quality is quite good. It's a little bit flashy. It go well with the Windows 8 environment. This was launched back in the Windows 8 days, but still you can buy from Amazon. I love it. The rubber is quite good. Overall, it's a very good mouse at the end of the day. Can I recommend it? Definitely yes, I can recommend this mouse. This is one of the best mouse ever built out there. Look at the beauty of this mouse. This is very comfortable mouse in the hand. You cannot go wrong. Literally, you cannot go wrong. It's really very easy to use, comfortable. Still, you see, I did not take out the back. At the end of the day, should you buy this mouse? Definitely yes. This is the one of the best mouse ever built. Work with every Bluetooth device I use. Work with mobile phone. Work with tablet. Work with anything. Before I was thinking this is like some kind of touch to pair where I click here, this icon work. This is just for fashion. But my favorite Bluetooth mouse of all time, HP Touch 2 pair. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي